Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best electrician bag is probably one of the most essential tools for any electrician, keeping your tools organized, accessible, and protected. But with so many options available, choosing the right one can be a challenge. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of electrician bags, exploring different types, features, and what to look for to ensure you find the perfect bag to meet your needs. Number 5. Ryker Roll-Up Tool Bag, Gifts for Dad. Looking for a tool bag that fits all your needs? This small tool bag is surprisingly spacious. You can easily place your tools inside and roll it up for easy storage. This roll-up tool bag features 4 large compartments and 2 detachable pouches. It's a unique feature that makes it perfect for mechanics. The roll-up design allows for convenient storage and transport. Keep your tools organized and carry them with ease. You can hang it in your garage or workshop. Take it with you as a mechanic bag or a small tool bag for your truck. Made from heavy-duty materials, this tool kit is as strong as a canvas tool bag. It will keep your tools safe even in extreme work conditions. It's a compact and reliable tool organizer. This tool wrap roll is the perfect gift for any man. It can be used as a boat, car, or motorcycle tool roll, or even as an emergency kit. Use it on the road or in the workshop. Buy this tool roll pouch with confidence. Your satisfaction is our top priority. You'll never have to worry about the quality of this canvas roll-up tool bag. What we like. This roll-up tool bag is designed for convenience, with a unique roll-up design for easy storage and transport. It also features detachable pouches, providing flexibility for different tasks. If you are looking for a compact and portable solution for your tools, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This is super high quality, extremely durable and holds more than I ever anticipated. This thing is pure military grade and has plenty of pockets. The material is well made and extremely durable. Good quality tool roll, strong material and well made. Keeps tools organized and is easy to carry and store. Great for small to medium tools. Great tool bag. My son is a mechanic who works out of a service truck. This bag allows him to transport and protect his tools safely when he isn't near his truck. It carries more than expected and keeps things well organized. Number 4. Klein Tools 55416110-14 Tool Bag. This tool bag offers an impressive 40 pockets, providing ample space for all your tools. It helps you keep everything organized and within easy reach, making your work more efficient. It features a large zipper pocket, perfect for securing small parts and tools. This ensures that your items are safely stored and won't get lost while you're on the move. The bright orange interior makes it easy to spot your tools quickly. This feature saves you time and frustration, allowing you to focus on the task at hand. Constructed with 1680D ballistic weave, this bag is built to last. It can withstand the rigors of daily use, ensuring it remains a reliable companion for years to come. The fully molded bottom provides stability and protects the contents from the elements. This design feature ensures that the bag stands upright and keeps your tools safe and dry. With a comfortable shoulder strap and extra padding, carrying this tool bag is a breeze. The handles also provide an alternative carrying option, making it easy to transport your tools wherever you go. What we like. With 40 pockets, this tool bag offers maximum tool storage, keeping everything organized and within reach. The orange interior makes it easy to find your tools quickly. If you're a professional who needs to carry a lot of tools and wants quick access, this bag is a great option. What people say. Durable, at 1680 denier versus 600 denier in my previous bag. You get what you pay for. Pockets of variable depth 8 inch and 5. Understand there is no room for power tools, this is a hand tool bag. Center pockets are tight, which holds most screwdrivers at the base of the handle, which keeps the sharp points from wearing a hole in the bottom of the pocket, very nice. Number 3. TICONN 16 Heavy Duty Tool Bag. This heavy-duty tool bag, crafted by TICONN, is made from durable 600D Oxford fabric. The handles and zippers are reinforced, ensuring it can withstand the toughest environments. The wide mouth opening makes it easy to load larger tools. It features 8 side pockets for easy access to smaller tools. The waterproof and abrasion-resistant base helps maintain the bag's shape. This versatile tool organizer is perfect for anyone, from homeowners to professionals. Whether you're carrying electrical, mechanical, or construction tools, there's a place for everything. The ergonomic handle and padded shoulder strap make carrying heavy tools less stressful. Integrated reflective strips enhance safety during night use, making it easier to identify in the dark. We stand behind the quality of our products. If you're not satisfied, contact us for a 30-day money-back guarantee and a lifetime warranty. Shop risk-free with our 100% satisfaction guarantee. What we like. This heavy-duty tool bag features a rugged design and ergonomic handle for comfortable carrying, even with heavy loads. It is designed for a wide range of applications, suitable for homeowners and professionals alike. If you are looking for a versatile and durable tool bag, this one is worth considering. What people say. It's very sturdy and well made, with strong material and solid stitching that feels like it will last a long time. There are tons of handy pockets, which makes it easy to keep tools organized instead of digging around for what you need. The bag has plenty of space and compartments to store my tools, and the sturdy handle and shoulder strap make it easy to carry. Number 2. CLC 1528 Electrical and Maintenance Tool Carrier. This tool carrier has a total of 22 pockets, 14 outside and 8 inside. This allows you to organize a wide range of tools and accessories. It's perfect for keeping everything in its place. Inside, you'll find a multi-compartment plastic tray, measuring 8.75 by 6.5 inches. This is ideal for organizing small parts, making it easy to find what you need. The tool carrier's box-shaped design is a key feature. It prevents tipping over, keeping your tools and parts secure and organized, even on uneven surfaces. Designed for comfort, this tool carrier features an extra padded carrying handle. It also includes an adjustable shoulder strap, making it easy to carry around. The main pockets are large and divided, with elastic loops to accommodate larger tools. This design ensures that your tools are easily accessible and well organized. What we like. This tool carrier has 22 pockets and includes a multi-compartment tray to keep your tools and small parts organized. The box-shaped design prevents tipping over, keeping your tools secure. If you like to keep your tools organized and want a bag that stands upright, this is a great choice. What people say. The bag is well made and durable. It has plenty of pockets and compartments for organizing tools. The design is practical and allows for easy access to tools. Number 1. Klein Tools 5144 BHB 14 OS Aerial Oval Tool Bucket. Introducing the Klein Tools 5144 BHB 14 OS Aerial Oval Tool Bucket. This bucket is designed to keep your tools organized and easily accessible while you work at heights. It's a reliable solution for professionals. This tool bucket features a total of 29 pockets. It includes 15 interior and 14 exterior pockets. This design helps you keep everything in its place. Constructed from rugged denier polyester, the bucket is built to withstand wear and tear. The durable material ensures it can handle the demands of daily use. The bucket includes web handles for easy carrying. It also has a black molded polypropylene bottom with drain holes. These features enhance its usability and durability. The tool bucket is 10 inches high and 14 inches long. Its oval shape provides a stable base and easy access to tools. What we like. This aerial bucket has 29 pockets and is constructed of rugged denier polyester, built to resist wear and tear. It also features drain holes, making it ideal for various work environments. If you work at heights and need a durable and well-organized tool bucket, you should consider this one. What people say. The bag has a lot of pockets and compartments, which is great for organizing tools. The material is durable and can withstand heavy use. The bag is well designed and easy to carry around. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.